Can you tell us what is a PA?
I would love to, but to answer that, I'm gonna have to go way back to the 1700s when Russia experienced a physician shortage. Then fast forward to 1965, and I'll introduce you to Dr. Eugene Stead, who developed the nation's first formal PA training program at Duke University Hospital. He was just trying to meet the growing demand for patient care services. Later on, Dr. Richard Smith created the Medicine Extension Program at the University of Washington, which deployed clinical students to underserved areas. So as you can see, PAs were created to fill the gap by expanding access to healthcare.
Hey, I heard y'all talking about the issue of being a PA. Actually, that's a big reason why I want to be a PA. I was in the military for a while, so I joined and did my little thing, and I heard y'all do a lot of things in rural care. That's a little thing I like too. So you want to be a PA? You know how to do it. You gotta get a bachelor's degree, and then you gotta apply on CASPA. You gotta do a little thing. You gotta apply to a program. By the way, it's a pretty big, growing program. It's about to be 221 programs in 2024. Just make sure it's accredited by the ARC PA, because after you do that, you take the PANTS, and it's administered by the NCCPA, and then you get your little C on the PA part, and then after that, you just gotta do your 100 hours of CMEs, and then you gotta restart every 10 years. And by the way, did you know it's a pretty big growing field? It's a 31% growth in job rates for us, by the way.
Wait, did you just say there was a 31% employment growth for a PA?
Yeah.
I'm a pharmacy tech, but now I'm seriously considering becoming a PA. So let me do my own research. Give me a second. Oh my gosh, guys, guess what I found? Physician assistant was ranked as top 2 best healthcare profession and top 3 best overall job by the US News and World Report of 2022. And not only that, the median salary for a PA is around $150K, which is amazing. So you should also consider becoming a PA.
Did someone mention PAs? I love my PA. She treats, diagnoses, and prescribes me medications, and she can even do surgery. What can't she do? My personal favorite part of having a PA is that anytime I need any medical care, they're so easy to access, and I get an appointment just like that. Speaking of PAs, she's coming in right now.
Yeah, so I'm a PA. There's a lot you have to know as a PA. First, you have to have a strong foundation in science and medicine, and then use that to think critically to diagnose and treat your patients. We have to use this knowledge to be able to improve the health of our communities as a whole. One way to achieve this is through working as a team with all of the other healthcare professionals. You need to have good communication skills for this as well. Our work is centered around the patient and their feelings and needs, and we have to maintain an ethical and professional working environment. Fortunately, we learned all of this in school and got to practice these skills to be a PA many, many times. I really love being a PA.
I'm so glad I bumped into you. Hey, it's time to go to CPR training.
Oh no, okay,
Come on.
let's go.
All right, guys, welcome to your certification for CPR. You may approach the bag. First thing you do is check for a pulse on the bag.
It's not alive, it's a backpack.
It's done.
Okay, all right. All right, what do I do?
All right, then you give it 30 compressions with 2 rescue breaths.
Okay, and how fast do I go?
You know that song, Staying Alive?
Uh-huh.
Well, you gotta do the beat of the song.
Okay. Wait up, wait, I use my
Whoa,
welcome.
whoa, slow down. You don't know the staying alive, staying alive.
Staying alive, staying alive. We love PAs. You should consider being one.
Okay, great.